Fuck drugs, I guess they don't work. Tattoo body, I don't need no shit. Probably need Jesus, but I don't go church. I'm on this hotel floor trying to soul search. Pop a couple more, they won't hurt. My mind on my body, which one will go first? Keep your weed, I don't smoke dirt. Mine will put you on your back like Goldberg. Yes, yes, rock and roll, brother. Got a face that was made for the Rolling Stone cover. Getting money like a coke pusher. My pocket's looking like a skinny t-shirt on Bone Crusher. On the road like Roadrunner. Wait the food and it looked like a phone number. She saw the poker and asked me if I would go for her. But a hit to this feels like a stone cold stunner. Lexa pros in a coffee cup, running through the city like Forrest Gump. Tried to give her draws at a proper skunk, but she prefers the whites like Donald Trump. Wish somebody would start popping up, so I could put them on ice like a hockey puck. Rap gotta catch a body like Bobby would. You against shorties like Rocky boxing with Tommy Gunn. What the fuck? Everybody turn Hollywood. @ symbol, hashtag, please follow us. Snapchat filters doing what a doctor would. Instagram bitches editing the body up. Fuck 'em, biggest balls in the universe. Rumors you can see my notes using Google Earth. Rappers coming for me, I ain't too concerned. I tell the very best one of them, come and do your worst.
You can lose your mind. 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 You can lose your mind.
They say it's all in the mind, but I say it's not. I say it's reality. They kept me in these walls 48 hours. White walls. Bright white walls. 48 hours. Man. But I can see the color in these white walls. I can see the color. There's no black, there's no white. We all one. They locked me up for 48 hours, 48 bright white walls, 48 bright white walls, 48 bright white walls, bright white walls, 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 bright white walls, bright white walls. You can lose your mind. You can lose your mind.